Hey guys, so we got a little bit of progress done here. Making a disaster, I think, is kind of more what we're doing. So we got a bunch of stuff moved over here, and basically we've taken all of this stuff from over here so that we can move some of this stuff over here. So it'd be nice to have a shop about 10 times the size, but you guys know how that works. So I'm gonna put it back on time lapse. We're just gonna move a couple small things here, and then we're gonna move the parts washers and the sandblasting cabinet over here. And then we're gonna have to move this rack here, all the stuff that's on it, and then we'll start moving some more stuff.
This is where I decided it'd be a good idea to drop a bunch of stuff on my head.
Hey guys, so we got a bunch of stuff moved around. I actually got more progress done than I thought we were going to be totally honest. So you can see we got parts washers. We had to move. It's like a juggling match. Anybody that has a shop that's full of stuff is gonna understand the juggling match. So we got the parts washers in. That wooden tote is actually gonna be a wash cabinet. I don't have the wash cabinet built yet, so I just used the plywood to simulate it. So then we got the sandblasting cabinet. I don't know if it's gonna stay there yet. And then the hot tank. We have the line hone in. And I'm pretty sure this is where the rod hone is gonna stay. We're gonna build a little, I'll show you guys this when it's all done, but we're gonna build a little table to go in here. And tomorrow, so we got the seat and guide machine moved. Don't know if that's gonna be, we might have to shift it a little bit. Tomorrow will be moving the mill, the boring bar, and the hone. And then we're gonna have to move the lathe. We have to twist the lathe around. The surfacer has to move down, and then move the other three pieces. So progress is actually going pretty good. I'm happy with progress. And I guess we will catch you guys tomorrow, and I'll show you what we got going on tomorrow. Thanks guys.